In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Drive for desktop. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged in to your account. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select Sync File between the cloud and your computer. This will take you to the page where you can download Google Drive for desktop. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Install and Open Drive for Desktop. In this section, you will see two options depending on your operating system. You can click Download for Windows if you're using a Windows computer, or Download for Mac if you're using Mac OS. After clicking the download button, your file system will appear asking where you want to save the installation file. Choose your preferred folder and click Save. Once the download is complete, locate the Google Drive setup.exe file in your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. During the setup, you'll see options to add shortcuts. You can check the boxes if you want to add an application shortcut to your desktop or create shortcuts for Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. These options are optional and depend on how you want quick access to Google tools. After selecting your preferences, click Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the setup finishes, click Launch. Then select Sign In with Browser to connect your Google account. Your browser will open automatically. Log into your Google account if needed, then click Sign In to confirm the connection between your computer and Google Drive. Once everything is connected, open your File Explorer and look under this PC. You should now see a new Google Drive disk, usually labeled Google Drive. This allows you to access and manage your Drive files directly from your computer. To manage your sync settings, look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the system tray and click the Google Drive icon. Then click the Settings gear icon and select Preferences. From there, you can choose specific folders on your computer to sync with Google Drive in the cloud. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.